Our grandmothers knew a secret. Saving the harvest means saving the family's health all winter long. Today, it feels easier to just buy vegetables in winter, but greenhouse and imported produce can have almost twice fewer vitamins. Seasonal fruits and vegetables from your own garden contain 30 to 50% more nutrients and keep their natural flavor. Our grandmothers knew how to save the harvest the right way. Freeze it. Keep up to 90% of the vitamins. Dry it, compact and nutrient-rich. Ferment it, packed with probiotics and bold flavor. Preserve it, a timeless winter classic. And make homemade jams for warmth and cozy evenings. Save the power of your harvest and bring health, flavor, and care to your table all winter long. Find more ideas and recipes on Rhythm of the World.